Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the on registration email option for MailGun. So to start, let's navigate to the timeline section of your account. Once there, to open the timeline you want to use, just click on it. Once we are within the timeline, just navigate to the integration section. And from here, look for MailGun. Make sure that it is active. If it is grayed out, you just have to toggle the switch to enable or to activate it. Once activated, the gear icon for the settings will become available. Just click on it and the integration settings window for Mailgun will open. From here, you can either keep the send email on registration option disabled or enabled. To enable it, again, you just have to toggle the switch. Once enabled, the edit option for the email editor will become available. So let's open it up, click on edit. And this one I prepared for you in advance. So from here, you just have to fill in these fields. You have to indicate the email address where the confirmation or registration email will be coming from, indicate the name of the sender and your subject. So this one is a sample registration email that we prepared. So as you can see from here, I have dynamic elements or personalization values for Mailgun. So to get this information, I just clicked on the personalization icon and I just selected first name. So this specific value will be pulling in the name of the registrant. And aside from this, we also indicated the webinar day and the time of the webinar. So to get these values, click on the personalization icon again, click on webinar, and then for this specific value for the webinar day, click on day of month, and for the time, just click on EST time. Aside from this, we also have to indicate the join URL link. So just click on the personalization value again, then click on the personalization icon again, then click on join URL. The join URL is unique per registrant. So this specific value will be pulling in that unique join URL for each of the registrant. The registration email will be sent to. So you also have the option to include emojis by clicking on the emoji icon here. And then let's just select a simple emoji for this email. Once you're satisfied with this email, just click on Save Email. And please don't forget to click on Update Settings to make sure that your changes are saved. Otherwise, when you check them again, they will not be there. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.